Nau mahara mai ki te taku wāhi a Toi Oriwa Creative. Ko oriwa ahau, tō Kai Kōrero i te wā. Tēnei wiki, ka whakanui i ngā wiki o Te Reo Māori. He aha koe i te wero i Te Reo Māori. Ka Te Reo Māori anake, ka ako koe i tētahi kupu hou o te rā, ka ako koe i tētahi waiata hou. He aha ake, haere tonu ki te kaha o Te Reo Māori. Ko te kaupapa taku mō te wiki o Te Reo Māori, kei te mahi toi o ngā rākau me poi hoki. Haere mai te whanau, te matakitaki ki tēnei whakaaturanga. Kia ora anō te whanau. In celebration for Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, I've decided to put some poi and te rākau packs together that are available at the Te Amotu Museum. Come into the museum, pick up a poi making kit. When you get your poi making kit, scan the URL or the QR code and I'll tell you how to make your poi. So what are we going to get for this poi making kit? Let me show you. So inside your little kit you're going to get a set to make 2 poi. You're going to get your sponge, hautai. And then you're going to get this nice little bag in here. Now what's inside the little kete, eh? Under the kete, you're going to pull out 2 taura. It's going to come with 2 taura. Look at that. Haere. E rua. Now the taura, with this kit, I have made the awe. Usually they come as a separate thing to make. I haven't included that in the this video that you're going to click on the QR code to show you how to make it. I will put up another separate video to show you how to make the awe. That's the tassel. Can you see that? So we got a taura. We've all got 2 taura, 2 hautai. There's the sponges. Oh, you're going to have 2 pieces of plastic for your poi. You can have 2 of those, and you're also going to have some ahau. Ahau. Can you see the ahau there? That's the ahau. The ahau is the ties. Ka pai? So each poi is going to have 2 ties to use. Check out the video. Come and visit Iwanuku when you're in the area. Te Amotu Museum, we got it all here. It's nice to be back out of COVID and to be with our tupunatonga. Engari, kia kaha Te Reo Māori e te whanau.